Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2018 Dodge Charger Daytona. This does have the 392, so it has a 6.4 liter V8 engine in it. Whenever you get the Daytona package, you get the nice bigger wheels. So those are 9.5 inch wide. You get the bigger Brembo brakes as well. Very nicely done on the inside, full leather seating. It does actually have like the Daytona logo on the back, and as you can see, it does have the navigation. It's got the blind spot monitor, remote start. There's a look at the back seat as well. So this thing only has 33,769 right now. It's got the nice black roof on it as well. So super nice vehicle. This is something we're going to certify, so you will get a 100,000 mile warranty with it as well. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169. Or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.